Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Zoom meeting link in under 90 seconds. Go ahead and open up your browser and go to zoom.com, and from here click on My Account at the top right, and from the options at the left click on Meetings. From here click on Schedule Meeting at the top right, and you can then name your meeting, type it in here, add a description, add your date on when it is going to start, as well as the time. If you have a basic plan, you will only have 40 minutes for your Zoom meeting. You can also set the time zone in here, as well as the invitees. For the meeting ID, you can select to generate automatically or use your personal meeting ID. You can also select a template, add a whiteboard, add documents, as well as a passcode so that only users who have the invite link can join the meeting. And if you want to enable or disable a waiting room, you can also then enable continuous meeting chat or disable it, as well as turn on or off the video for the host and the participant. You can also click on show under the options right here and see more options to enable or disable. Just click on save right here at the bottom, and you should now have the invite link, so you can copy it by clicking on this button and share it to your participants. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.